Hello aviators, this is Yoon
and April
from Thrust Flight.
We're here today to talk to you about some tips and tricks you can use when communicating with our friends at ATC.
Make sure you're on the correct frequency. You want to be transmitting and listening onto the correct frequency, like to the person that you're trying to talk to. Addison Ground, Spur Cruiser 4930. No, hold on. Addison Ground, Spur Cruiser 4930 Sierra Charlie, ready to taxi to active.
You want to plan out what you're going to say and be concise. Say who you're talking to, who you are, where you are, and then what you want.
Addison Ground, what are we? Sport Cruiser, Thrust 6, ready to taxi. What was it? Information. Tango. Addison Ground, Sport Cruiser 4903 Sierra Charlie, holding short of Alpha over Romeo, ready to taxi to active with information Tango. Anticipate what ATC will say to you. Expecting what you will be told helps you listen and remember what you need to read back. You know, I bet they're gonna say runway 15 taxi via Alpha.
93 Sierra Charlie, taxi runway 15 via Alpha.
Yeah. It's important to read back all pertinent information when ATC says something to you. For example, your takeoff, landing, or taxi clearance. You want to let them know that you understood what they told you and that you're going to follow their directions.
Extend your downwind, I'll call your base. Traffic holding in position prior to your arrival.
Extend downwind, you will call our base turn 4903 Sierra Charlie. Also, write down any instructions that you're given by ATC. It doesn't quite matter if it's a small airport, but at larger and busier airports, you will want to write down everything that you're told.
Sport Cruiser 4903 Sierra Charlie, regional approach, radar contact. Proceed direct to Addison, enter right downwind 33, cleared into Bravo 2500. You want to pause the conversation when ATC is transmitting. You and your instructor should listen to see if the transmission is for you.
So what was the recipe again?
Oh, so it's banana pudding. You put the cookies on the bottom and
Okay.
then you put bananas.
493 Sierra Charlie, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles.
Wait.
Sirius southbound,
Was that us?
prior to your
Oh,
arrival.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Just keep
So,
going.
ooh, that sounds wonderful. So what was the recipe again?
Oh, so it's banana
493
pudding.
Sierra Charlie,
You put the
traffic
cookies
1
on the
o'clock,
bottom.
5 miles. Sirius southbound at 2500.
Looking for the traffic, 3 Sierra Charlie. The most important point is that ATC is your friend.
Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Thanks for joining us here today at Thrust Flight.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button right here. And as always, happy and safe flying.